Quackity, I can't hear you.
What do you mean?
I'm way too high.
We have not one, not two, not three. We have 3 cans of frosting.
Taller now as well, apparently. That imposter is looking awfully thick.
It's your Whipple, skinny nipple. It's your Fable, Mr. Table. It's your Broy, Chips Ahoy.
We're not adding the bag of spaghetti, but I really want to add the bag of spaghetti. But we're not going to add the bag of spaghetti. It would taste terrible, you know? But I really want to add the bag of spaghetti. No.
George loves money so much.
George won't shut the f*** up!
Somebody moved my M&Ms, and now I'm going to start killing.